What is something that any agent or, quite frankly, any professional should be doing every single day to generate a consistent revenue stream of business? So here's the deal. The number one thing that I tell all of my students is to start creating 10 video text messages every single day. You're just gonna take your phone, you're gonna scroll Facebook, you're gonna look for friends on Facebook, you're gonna look for friends of friends on Facebook or on any other social media site, and you're gonna find out something interesting that happened to them. Maybe they had a birthday, or they got married, or their kids graduated from college, or they went to a really cool fancy restaurant or had a great vacation, and you're just gonna grab the phone, you're gonna say, "Hey, Krista, I just saw that you created this awesome video on YouTube regarding something you can do every single day in your business to move the needle. I loved that video. Just wanted to say hi. I was thinking about you and hope you have a great day."
Are you wanting a kickstart on your business and you want to learn how to be the go-to professional in your industry? Well, guess what? I've got a free challenge for you. It's 5 days of coaching. It's brand new. Just go to KristaMashore.com/client conversion. That's KristaMashore.com/client conversion, and you'll get a free training with me for 5 straight days that's going to help kickstart you as the go-to professional in your industry. So sign up and I'll see you there.
Notice, I didn't ask for business. I didn't remind them of what business I was in. I didn't ask for referrals. I just said hello. I complimented them. I brought up something that they're doing in their business, and I made a connection. If you do this 10 times every single day, just this one thing, I guarantee, I promise, you absolutely will pick up a minimum of 12 new buyers or sellers or clients over the next 12 months. It works phenomenally. We've actually seen people over a 30-day period pick up as many as 8 new clients just utilizing this one method alone. And imagine if you do this over and over again, the compound effect and the momentum that starts happening after time. The idea, though, is that it sounds like it's a very simple strategy, but it isn't always easy, right? It's not easy sometimes to send a video to someone. We're worried about how we look or what we're gonna say. So how do we make sure that we're more successful? Now, number one, I recommend going and creating a list. Creating a list of who you are going to, for the week, who are you gonna contact? And then you have the list, so half your battle is already done. You already know who to go to. Then on the day it's time to write the videos, you just go and check out their social media sites, look for something fun to say, hit record, hit send, boom, you are done. Make sure before you hit send that you send a quick little text message that says, "Hey Krista, it's Krista. Just wanted to let you know you're not getting spammed or hacked. This is a bit video for me and I can't wait to hear back from you." A great way to do something like this is to put the person's name on a little whiteboard or on a piece of paper and say, "Hey Krista, hey so-and-so," and they can see that it's actually you and it's actually their name, so it's not spam. That's a great way to get the videos to get opened. Now there's so many more strategies and tactics that I can go over, but if I just gave you that one strategy to start doing, you'd be amazed at how much more business you would do. Also, when you are properly marketing yourself through social media, especially when you're using video content and people are seeing you over and over and over again, I call it the 5 R's. You're gonna get more referrals, more repeat business, and you're gonna retain more clients and customers because you are doing rituals and routines. Rituals and routines by sending the 10 video text messages. Also rituals and routines by the fact that they're constantly seeing your content online. So they're being reminded about you. They can't forget about you. They're gonna refer you more. You're gonna get more repeat business. You're gonna retain more current customers and more past customers, and your business is just going to explode.
Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.